45-degree angle, right?
The bunghole?
It's a is it a bunghole? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We never really got a chance to properly introduce our next project, is our SN95. Brian's had his 94 teal SN for how long?
What's this year?
19.
10 years.
He's had it for 10 years. It was on the cover of Muscle Mustang in August of 2016, and it has not run since. So it's kind of a bummer.
Whoops.
We bought a donor car, and those who have been watching, thank you again. We bought this donor that had a Whipple, and we used the Whipple for my car, but we kept it and everything else with it for the transmission and the motor for Brian's SN. So we are doing a full Coyote swap as well as an MT82 swap, and before you cringe, we know when you hear MT82 a lot, we cringe, but before you cringe, we think it'll be okay because the car is going to stay NA for a while. We have a few clips of what our donor car is starting to look like, and we will have some clips of the SN soon, but it is outside actually under a tarp, and there's a lot of snow outside.
It's a car cover.
I'm sorry.
Not a tarp.
I know, I always say car or tarp when I mean car cover, I'm sorry. It is under a car cover, and there's a lot of snow outside around it, so we don't really have a good way to get into it right now. It is snowing quite a bit, so we have some parts laying around the garage. We're about to pull it inside at some point when we can get it unburied. But yeah, so we have we got some stuff going on to keep ourselves busy while we are waiting to hear back from the machine shop when my car will be done, and update on the Pistons and stuff like that. So we'll keep you posted. This is just kind of our fun in between on the channel. It'll become a main event when it starts getting into it, but we haven't really had a chance to explain what's going on with it. It's definitely going to be a unique Coyote swap, so stay tuned if you're interested in a Coyote swapped SN, because we got some surprises coming your way for it. So yeah, we'll be here, and we'll answer any of your questions. Hey guys, welcome back. I am here at Diamond Piston. I am picking up my piston. We are taking them to the machine shop with my rods today, so hopefully the motor will be assembled in about, I would like to say 2 weeks, but who knows how long it'll actually take. So I'm gonna say maybe the beginning of March the car should be together. So I'm trying not to rush it, especially with, if you can see, the weather being the way it is. There's really no rush in getting the car back together because I can't drive it, but it would be nice to know what kind of power this car is gonna put down. So just wanted to keep you posted and show you what's going on for a little while, and then see what the heck is going on with the donor car and the SN. So talk to you soon.
Joe, what do we got?
We got piston heads.
So we just went and picked up our fresh new pistons for Joe's motor. It is unreasonably cold, but wow. The little nipple guy in the middle, that's for the direct injection, so it's a new style piston, but these are absolutely gorgeous. So we're an automotive machine. We're dropping these off so that they can balance everything off the crank. So we will record once we get inside and show you guys the block and where it's at thus far. Okay, it's cold. Goodbye. We didn't film anything inside, but here's the block with the Darton Sleeves installed, ready to be machined to the piston heads.
You good?
Joe, we're live.
Brian, we're live.
Okay.
Oh my god.
What are they? What are they?
I think it's a set of headers.
Joe, it's cold. Could you close the door?
I hope you get comments that you're not helping me. Whoa.
Damn.
How was that?
And personalized tape. Long tube headers, doing it right.
Hey. And the shirt just happened to work out. These came today. Let's get an opening utensil.
I have one in my ear.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, did this get on the floor?
Damn, whose sweet car is that? Watch out. Damn. Whose car is that?
Does anyone remember that car?
No.
If you do, comment below. Isn't that what cheesy YouTubers always do?
I think so.
I think so too. There we go. Before I cut myself.
Oh.
Ooh, that's a big staple.
Oh, lots of big staples.
My hand felt that one.
Aw.
Clip.
Lots of very nice packing.
Yeah.
Very professional.
Okay.
Damn. Whoo. Girl.
Geez. Wow, personalized.
Damn.
Now all we need is a car that runs.
Yeah. So first talk about the size.
Because it matters. So what's different about long tube headers is they're not a coating, it's a Titan finish, and what makes that unique is it keeps it smoother and it'll keep the welds lasting longer. No one else in the industry actually does that, so it's kind of like a mini forging piping process. So we went with a 1 7/8, so it's an 18 gauge down to a 16. We are really excited about having these because it has a 5-degree weld in the bung to prevent moisture for E85 users, which also is a great selling point for us. So we're really excited to put these on the car. This is a connection to my stock mid pipe, which we're actually keeping. What's also nice as you get toward the bottom is it necks down right here, which will provide a unique sound. And the reason that I'm very cautious about sound is because a lot of S550s do not sound that great. I can contest Mustang Week 2018. Disappointing. Disappointing. You all sounded like bass boats.
We'll see you at the lake.
So you guys need some different headers and you need some different exhaust. So once this is on the car, I'll prove to you that this is the best sounding. Also, to check in on my car, we're hoping that it should be somewhat completed by the end of February, maybe mid-March. So if you've been asking or wondering, that's why. Hopefully by my birthday. Guess how old I'll be? In the comments. Person that guesses gets to buy me a present. It's worth it.